Today I got for you guys a review on the guitar Fetish, the SBS CS260. Now the reason I bought this guitar, I wasn't planning on getting one. I got an email and they gave you $100 off of one of these, so I was like, I can't beat that. Nice neck. It's got really good fretwork. Everything works. Pickups are ceramic, but they sound pretty good. I'm not a gigantic ceramic, but these actually sound pretty good. I can't have all my guitars sound exactly the same anyway. So this guy needed a little bit of work. What I did was I trem blocked it, changed the springs to some noiseless springs, a little better springs, and now it doesn't go out of tune. The other thing is, when I got this guy, I had to lower this quite a bit to get the strings to dive at the right angle coming out of your the locking nut. And then also I put some locking tuners. I had these sitting around. It's just so much easier for string changes. Otherwise, it was a bargain. I gotta say, I really like this neck. They're only medium jumbo, but the frets are plenty big. I like this guitar. In today's market, man, you're getting some this guitar right up there with my Firefly EVH style guitar. I mean, for the money, you can't touch them. They're really good guitars nowadays, some of these things. I mean, for the money. I mean, some people nitpick them, but I think this one was, I'll have to look it up again, but I'll get back to you on the price. But I don't think they make this model anymore, but I actually really like it. They have a couple different body styles. One's more like a Strat style. This is more like I guess a dinky style. I wanted this, and plus I wanted the reverse headstock. It's a little different. I'm not a big fan of the Fender headstock shape, but reversed, it's a little different. So anyway, let's get on with it. Get on with the review here. Okay. So today we have a guitar from Guitar Fetish. Got one of those emails where they had big sales, so it was like $120 off this thing. It's one of their SBS series. So we'll get opening this thing up. So you can see it is the CS260. The only color they had left was in the Battleship Gray, but I'm going to stripe it anyway. And it was originally priced at $259, and there was a $100 off sale. So their shipping's a little more than some, but oh well, gave it a shot. So it came up to $194 shipped. Hopefully it's worth it. So we got some more bubble wrap. Tell you one thing, they're not as sophisticated as some of the guitars I got. I like the ones like Firefly. They came in, I mean, they were completely encased with a hard foam. So, let's see. Hopefully there's no damage. Get this guy opened up. You can tell it's been bouncing around a little bit in the box. There's a gap. So, you pop the bottom. What they should do is put them to the bottom and then stuff the top. But anyway, hopefully, like I said, hopefully there's no damage in this guy. So they need to take a few lessons with some of the other guitar people you buy from. So here she is. I mean, it looks nice. Neck looks nice. It don't look all dried. This one, it doesn't come with the jumbo frets, but you know, it's all right. This was another one of my little experiments to try another guitar that I don't need. But see what she sounds like. There's the Floyd Rose copy. Don't know how good these guys are at. These came with ceramic pickups, and for what was it, another $100? You got the, I like the Alnico, but if I change one, it's $30. So, and the upgraded one comes with jumbo frets. So, but I watched a couple of videos from other guys, and they like this neck on this one. So. There's a little goodie bag yet. What? No, cord. Yeah, don't use those cords anyway. So, stuck it up in my Allen keys. And there's the headstock. Well, one thing I found, trying to tune this thing up, I couldn't get a tune. This string, the D, is bigger than the A. So they got them swapped around here. I couldn't get this thing away. I'm like, what the hell is... You can see how this is a D right now. You can see it sounds like I'm on a bass guitar. So I gotta change that around. Okay, I changed out the string. I had an old set and I happened to have a D string available. I'll restring the whole thing once I get going with this thing, but I'm going on vacation tomorrow, so I ain't gonna spend a bunch of time on this today. That's odd. I've never seen a guitar come with the wrong string. I was sitting there, I couldn't get this thing in the tune. So glad to have these babies. Check the string width. So she's ready to go now. So she's tuned up. The other thing is, the action's a little high. The action's actually at 2.25. But then again, if you look down here, you can see this thing wasn't set up very well. It's got a big old slope to it. So a little more adjustment. Nothing, you can't handle it. Just need a little more quality. So after changing out the D string, which is the strangest thing because they basically had another A string as a G. I couldn't get it really tuned to D with the other string, so figured that one out. Changed that, leveled this out. That thing was cockeyed like that on the guitar. Strange. It does have a quilt tip. And it has 1, 2, it's a 3-way switch. When I play it, the neck feels great. I love this neck. I think I'd almost pay what I paid for the guitar for the neck. The neck is actually really, really good.
Excellent!
It's got smaller fret, medium, but they're fine. I think my made in Japan EVH has got smaller frets. And you see it's got this guy down here, that truss rod wheel. The truss rod was straight. The action was way off, so I adjusted that back. I got that back down. When you pinch a third and look at the first fret, the height of this is good. I got no fret buzz so far, so it's all good. Pickups actually sound pretty good. I had to get in tune, I had to give these a few turns. Otherwise, no complaints. Box, there's a lot of wires in this box. It's pretty busy. But the good thing is I don't think I got to change the pickups. And I just got to foam this up a little bit. I'm going to do that right now. I like to foam these up to get rid of any buzz that's going on. And I've changed a few blocks out. I don't really hear a big difference. I just had some blocks changing around. So, I mean, if I do anything and I change this out, I'll change out the whole trim. So we'll go from there. Otherwise, it's got neck access is good. This paint job, I haven't found a flaw in the paint job. It's actually a really, 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 really nice paint job. So what I did was I installed a trim stop. I bought some noiseless springs. I still put foam underneath it because it keeps from rattling. But I'm leaving this alone for now and actually playing it with the trim stop. It's a lot easier to keep these guys in tune. I'm not a big Floyd Rose abuser, so this works out. So we'll see how this goes. If I come across a good deal on the new Floyd, I'll probably pick it up for it because this guitar is actually really worth any upgrades. So I usually mark out string size and what pickups I have in it. So just for later on. But anyway, that's about it for this guitar.